How to detect if a USB port is 3.0 or 2.0. I have a Toshiba Canvio 3.0 external HDD. It has USB 3.0. It flashes blue if you connect it to a USB 3.0 port. If it is a 2.0 port, the light becomes white. Yesterday, I plugged it in and the light was blue. Now, I plugged it in the same port and the light is white. Can I somehow detect if the USB port I just plugged in is 2.0 or 3.0? I want to know if there is a problem with the device or the USB port I'm using. Edit, I'm using Windows 8.1.
To check whether the USB device itself is USB 2.0 or 3.0, use USB Device Tree Viewer on a computer. Then disconnect all your USB devices on the computer and reconnect the USB in question. You'll see it appear on the sidebar on the left. Click it. On the right, scroll down about 1/4 of the page. In the section Connection Information, look at the device bus speed. These are what you should be looking for. USB 2, device bus speed column 0 by 02, high speed. USB 3, device bus speed column 0 by 03, super speed. Another way. Open the Charms bar by dragging the cursor to top right of the screen or by pressing Win plus Circa 2. Select Settings and then change PC Settings. Select the devices under PC Settings application. As NDPC said, the device you plug the USB device into should have different signs or colors to show if the actual ports are USB 2 or 3. USB 2. USB 3, the sign on the left image says SS and the USB sign. SS equals super speed as said above. There are many more methods. Check Microsoft's website for info on the different signs you can see.
Sometimes, if you plug the USB 3.0 device too slowly, it is recognized as 2.0. Why? Because the 3.0 line of pins is in a second row, so if the protocol handshake is finished before your device is fully plugged in, it will never get USB 3.0 speed. This is particularly annoying when using USB keys like the Extreme series from SanDisk, because the plug is on springs and is frequently diving too slowly into the port. If you own this specific model, be careful to not touch or press the retractor button while inserting it. If you touch it, the USB plug will be on springs. If you don't touch the button at all, the USB plug will insert correctly.
I understand that the USB standard indicates that the USB 3 port will have a blue color plastic tab inside the plug-in.
Just look at ports and plugs, and if they are blue then it is used 3. USB 3.0 plugs with 5 additional pins, 9 in total, to get super speed.
If you want more videos on it, be sure to subscribe.